I've been using this DoerHRM almost 10 months, I would say. And on every week and on every objective that I create inside this OKR, I will find that in time, OKR is actually helping on managing our certain amount of period punya objective, where we can actually update our progress. I updated the progress weekly, which is normally on Friday, and there I can see that which part is actually need more focus on. So let's say that after updating the progress, and then the progress is a bit lagging. So I can say, okay, this part we need to work on this, or maybe it's lagging too much. So we can see that the lagging too much punya part, we need to put an extra effort on it and put more focus on that part, so that maybe we can put our time on the daily basis focusing on the one that is need more progress on, which is the lagging too much. And I would say OKR is actually really helpful because mostly because I'm leading the team, so I can set our team objective for this certain period of time, so that we can actually track it together. So if let's say like I mentioned before, it's lagging a bit or maybe lagging too much, then we can put like more focus on it, the part that lagging too much or a bit lagging. Yeah. And for check-in, I would say check-in is actually also an objective for me, because it's most likely to be a narrow one objective compared to the OKR, because you set a certain period amount of objective, and then you go to the check-in where you can actually set your weekly and also daily objective, what you want to achieve on that particular week or what you want to achieve on that particular day, to be narrowed down. And then the most function that I like about check-in is actually you can update your progress here, which is either it is stuck or you have an issue on it, postponed, or maybe it's already done. And so from here, you can actually see from the objective, you can see, okay, let's say that part you have like lagging too much, so the progress will be red, right? So you'll be more like alert on it. And then you go to the more narrow part, which is the check-in. You can see that, okay, from my daily plan, daily objective that I want to achieve on that particular day, I can say, okay, I'm actually having problem with this, so I'm a bit stuck, so that I can see more specific on which part from that OKR, which part that I need to actually focus on, because not everything in that particular, like let's say one key result is actually lagging too much, right? So not everything in that particular key result is actually having issues on. It's actually like 2 or 3 functions on it only, so that I can see it more specifically into check-in. Check-in is actually more like Yaya's mentioned before, it's actually more like my digital to-do list now. So I need to like create my to-do list of the day to make sure that I actually achieve something during the end of the day. I think that's it from me.